Notice how the window starts before we actually remove it and start in this process here. After we get it removed, we use a wire wheel and a grinder and remove all the old dried up and crusty butyl tape and remove it off the window as well to make room for the nice clean butyl tape to keep that nice tight seal. Now on the front here, I'm using a foam pad and some rubbing compound and going over the aluminum, which is really helping to pull off the coating that was on there, but bring out that shine that the aluminum has. And you can always detail the window a little bit better after you get it installed. Once you get done with the front, you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna clean the surface off and put the new butyl tape on. And once you get it in there, you stick it on and start putting the screws back in.